I am thrilled to learn from Jasjeet Kaur, a fabulous woman entrepreneur of Punjabi dishes and an area celebrity and chef, about the upcoming colorful and delicious food and cultural expo, Brampton Artistic Expo virtual event November 28th. As they say, food is more than just for sustenance. People are looking for fine dining experience. Jasjeet Kaur, in all her discussions, demonstrations, and postings, has been adding and recommending fine and visual arts, tasteful cultural displays in music, rich, luscious, and robust folk and popular Punjabi and Indian music, Bhangra, and contemporary dancing as important dimensions to making food preparation and food eating a memorable experience. Majority of Indian and ethnic restaurants generously use these and other joyful attractions to add spice and spirit to the dining experience. After all, food is life, and therefore it needs to be nurturing, lively, and delicious. Food is sustenance, and therefore no reason that the food dishes and presentation should not be attractive. Food is often referred to as Andevta, food as God, and therefore there is no reason that it should not be embellished with a prayer of thanksgiving, joyous songs, and pleasing music. Food is arts and culture. Therefore, the wall decorations should reflect tasteful and inviting art that connects the viewer with time, place, and culture to stimulate discussions during dining visits. Today's success in any endeavor comes from hard work, innovation, and distinction. It centers around illuminating education, expanding public interest, and media support. It is critical that national, state, and local community leaders look at the food sector as a vital and critical part of the area attractions for residents and visitors, and as a significant contributor to the economy, image, and adding to the community happiness index. The restaurants should be an important area to invest in communities to make them exciting gathering places to meet friends and connect with life, whether they are the langar halls in gurdwaras, modest neighborhood dhabas, or a fabulous restaurant in a five-star hotel. The far-sighted and common denominator is a positive spiritual, cultural, and social fellowship and dining experience. I have no doubt that the Brampton Artistic Expo virtual event on November 28th will cover these and many other relevant and related areas to help the restaurants that are devastated by COVID-19 pandemic to come back to life and prosperity, and to be once again robust and successful than ever before. I offer my hearty congratulations to the participating area restaurants and other related exhibitors, all the performers and presenters that would be adding colors, textures, spice, and culture to the expo, all the organizers and financial sponsors of the Brampton Artistic Expo virtual event November 28th, and especially to the families and friends from across the ethnic spectrum and from across Canada who will visit the 2021 Food Expo. I take this opportunity to especially thank Jasjeet Kaur, project manager of the Saffron Hub project, and the Artistic and Artisans Network Development for coming up with such a beautiful idea to give the 2021 Expo platform to food businesses in Brampton and helping to boost their spirits, survival, and future. Let the Expo send a message of hope and Chardi Kala, ignite a dedicated commitment at multiple levels and facets of the food sector, and may we look back a year from now, the turning point that began at the 2021 Brampton Expo. Good luck and joyous Sat Sri Akal from Indianapolis.